Hello everyone, we all have the t-shirts whose wools come out like this, so here we'll be showing you some easy ways to fix it. So take a needle and fix it like this. Fix it by stretching it like this on the upper side. Pull it carefully in the same manner as we are putting it. Watch it very carefully. Watch each technique as we are doing it. Now we will using the thread. We will cover that upper part which is left vacant. Fix it by putting the threads in the middle of the wool. Pull it out. Take same color wool so that it looks neat and clean. Fix it from the one side and put it on the another like this one by one, and your torn part is almost covered. I hope you liked it. You can make such more easy ways. So take a paper and mark the star like this over it. Now we will make the star using the thread. Fix it from the downside and pull it out on the other side. Here we call this a star stitch. So fix it one by one as we are fixing it. Now put it like this one by one and cover it. Now you can put the threads in the same manner again and again by repeating the process, and your star stitch will be done. I hope you liked it. Next, take a sweater or the woolen cloth whose threads are spread like this. Now fix the needle in the between and fix it from the between by putting it like this. Pull it out one by one as shown in the video. Fix it from the one and pull it out from the other side like this. Fix the needles one by one as we are fixing it. Stretch it carefully as we are stretching it. Do not leave the space in the between and fix them together by tying it like this. Fix them. Now take it till the top in the same manner and repeat the process again and again as we are fixing in this video. So after that, pull the threads carefully. Work with it very carefully, otherwise threads may get tangled. Now fix it on the top like this. Now on the top, when we get the vacant space like this, we will cover it using the threads. So fix it from the one end and pull it out from the other side like this. Pull the wool and look how it's done. I hope you liked it. Next, take a sweater like this and then remove the threads to cover it with innovative way. So put the thread like this and pull it out on the upper side like this. Fix it as we are rolling it one by one. Fix it from the one side and put it on the other side, and look, it's done. Next, take a t-shirt whose threads are pulling it out like this, so we will cover it. So take a needle and fix the threads in the same manner as we are fixing it. Fix it as we are doing one by one. Watch the technique very carefully how we are fixing the threads. Roll it using the needles carefully and roll it and fix it like this till the end. Fold it one by one. Take it till the end until it gets covered. So watch the video till the end. And here you can try these at any dresses, or you can cover it by taking the same color cloth like this. Fix it and take the threads in the same color and fix it out from one side till the other like this and pull it carefully. Do not stretch it too much, otherwise the threads may get tangled. Fix it one by one as we are fixing it carefully. Put it out from the one side and pull it out from the other, and look, it's done. Thanks for watching our video.